In this video, we are going to cover what types of fine you get in Victoria, who can give you a fine, and what to do if you get a fine.
You can get fines for parking in local council, public transport, speed and red light. More serious fines are for excessive speed, drink driving, and these fines may result in a license suspension or cancellation. You can get issued fines by police, public transport, council, toll companies, for example Eastlink, Fines Victoria, and private companies such as shopping centre parking, although these fines are not enforced in the same way.
The infringement process goes through different stages. First, you receive an infringement notice that you have to pay within 21 days. If unpaid, penalty reminder notice is sent with additional cost. If not paid, you receive a notice of final demand with additional cost. If unpaid, you receive an enforcement warrant with additional cost. And this is the final warning to deal with the fine before the sheriff is able to take some of the following actions, such as come to your address and demand payment, will clamp your vehicle, seize and sell your property, your personal property, and arrest you. The sheriff has to issue a 7-day notice before they do any of these things. So what are your options when you get a fine? Pay the fine in full, ask for an extension, ask to pay on a payment plan. Nominate another driver who's responsible for the fine. Apply for a work and development permit, which is a scheme that provides a non-financial option to deal with the debt. It includes unpaid work, educational and vocational courses, drug and alcohol counseling. Request for an internal review. You can also ask for review if you have exceptional circumstances out of your control, for example, a medical emergency. You may also be eligible for special circumstances review if you had a mental or intellectual disability or illness, had a serious substance addiction, are a family violence survivor, or experiencing homelessness. You should never ignore a fine, as it will get more expensive and cause more problems. The longer you ignore it, the more serious outcomes you will have to face. It is always easier to deal with a fine when you first receive it. If facing any issues with fines, please contact us at Springvale Monash Legal Service or call your local community legal center.